What are you feeling today?
Back's still been bothering me a bit, and I saw Ian twice,
Yeah.
and he worked on it pretty hard, and we got it. So I've been managing, like it's getting a bit day to day, but I had like a couple days where I could like barely stand. It was so bad, like where like through my psoas and like my erectors were like, or mostly through my right QL was so tight. It's starting to get pretty good now. Like I can feel it if I lean back a lot, I can feel like right in the top of my glutes and my kind of my QLs and erectors there. But it's definitely better. Like I can manage throughout the day and it doesn't bother me. But like if I stand up for a long time, I feel like I kind of need to like stand on one foot, stand on the other. You know what I mean? To kind of take the pressure off. But that's the only thing. Everything else feels pretty good. Knees, everything like that's pretty solid.
Awesome. I'm going to start you face down if that's okay.
Oh, like right pushing in that middle spot. Definitely felt.
Yeah. Yeah, that's really tight. Anything in through the SI joints?
It's hard for me to tell, but yes, I think so. Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely feels a little jammed up in there.
There. Then can you try and hold that for me? That's still good. Switch here and hold. Good. And then try that again. Hold. That one. Yeah. Oh, pretty good. One more. Good. Good. Some more. In there. Okay. You get to relax there again. And breath in. Yeah. Good. And then one more here. Yep.
Oh.
Yeah, when you stiffen up, you're hard to adjust through sometimes.
Yeah, I can feel in there.
QLs are less thrilled. So, let's see. I'm going to bring both your legs over to your left to start. Are you okay coming like that? You're going to scoop up the ankles, and then I'm going to try and play back to the right. Try and hold me over there. Good. And then we'll go the other way.
I definitely feel that with QL.
You do, right? Okay. And then try and hold that over there. And that guy just wants to give up. So, if we check the lymphatic points for it. And then you try and hold me over to the right again. Hold. Good. You get relaxed. Then I'll bring you back over to the right. And hold me over there again. That's happier. Now, if we try the left one again. Hold that over there. Do you feel that less, or is it about the same?
I feel it like just in like the top of my right glute and a bit in the QL there, but it's not like painful.
Okay, but still there. So if
But
I
I can feel it.
bring that right leg up, can you hold that up for me?
Like this?
Whole leg up, actually.
Oh.
Yep. And then hold.
Oh.
Not as good as I'd like it to be. So we'll see. Let's start with the ASI. Bring that up again for me. And hold. Yeah, that makes a big difference. Okay, so I'm going to get you over this way.
Facing this way?
Yep. Good. Good. There it is. And then we'll get you back down.
On my stomach?
Yep. And whole leg up in the air for me when you're ready, sorry. And hold. Good. Whole other leg up in the air. Good. Okay. That's happier. Seems better. We're going to drag the percussor out here and just get into the low back a bit more. You doing okay there?
Yep.
Perfect. I'm going to check right in the hips.
Yep.
Which, there's some tightness in there, so I'm going to get in with an elbow into the left. Pressure's okay?
Yep.
Alright, perfect.
It's weird, I can feel that in my right toes. The other foot toe.
That's kind of interesting.
Yeah. Like numbness.
Okay. And if I come out of there, does that go away?
Yeah.
Interesting. All right, let's try a couple things. I'm going to bend you up here. I'm going to try and turn your leg out. Can you try and hold that in for me? So that should be better, ideally. If we pin the tendon here, hold that in again. Better. And one more. Better. So you get to relax there. Not too much there, eh?
No.
Okay, good. Good. And then right up against the sacrum. Good. And I'll bring it back up. Try and hold that in again for me. That's better. And then if I come back into the other glute, do you get that feeling again?
Not yet, no.
Okay, perfect. Good. So then the other piriformis had just weakened enough that I guess it was stretching when I got into this one. All right, and then one more. High as you can with the left for me. Good. And then the right. Good. Okay. How does that feel to do at this point?
The right side I can feel a little bit in my QL. The left side feels fine.
Okay.
Okay, so
Right about there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. When you're ready, I'm going to get you to try one more time. Raise that right leg, or left leg rather, up as high as it'll go. Good, and then the right. Good. And then how's that feeling in the right heel that time? Perfect. All right. I'm going to get you on your back when you're good. All right. Check the quads. I'm going to bring you up. Can you kick up into me here? Good. Any issues in the back?
No.
And kick up. Any issues in the back?
No.
Perfect. Let's see. Check more psoas. I'm going to try and press down and out. Hold that there for me. Good. And then I'll have you relax. We're going to stretch you out. And then hold that up again. That holds up well. Do the same thing over here. I'm going to try and press down and out. Hold that there. And then relax. We'll stretch you. And then hold that there. Good. Okay. Can you bend the knees up for me? And squeeze them together. Just reset the pubic symphysis there. Felt okay?
Yeah.
Like not too bad? Good. Then we'll check up into the hip flexors. That's pretty rough on that left side, eh?
They're both, yeah, I can feel it.
Both? Okay.
I've been laying on, that so right thing, you know?
Oh, geez, yep.
I'm trying to help, but I don't know if it's doing anything. But
You let me know if it's too much. Now that we're done the lower psoas, I'm going to check the upper psoas. Deep breath in for me. And out. That also doesn't feel great. Try and breathe through it if you can. Actually, this one's not so bad.
Oh, this one doesn't hurt at all.
Perfect. All right, I like that. Can I get you to scooch just a hair back for me? You're good there, eh?
Yep.
Bring out just a hair. That's tight. Nice.
How satisfactory is that for you in doing that?
Oh, it's wonderful.
Yeah. All right, so that's
That's pretty tight. It's funny, when we were learning to do it in school, it was like that was the feedback you were looking for.
yeah.
Realistically, it doesn't clinically actually matter in terms of like outcomes if it cracks.
Yeah.
But the crack is just sort of like that.
So,
I did it
yeah.
right. Like if you do it right, it doesn't always crack. But if
Yeah.
it cracks, you probably did it right.
Yeah.
Good, and then one more. Perfect. That's really not too bad in there. We'll get a little bit out of it. Good, one more. From here, nice little Puma ad today.
The Costco ad.
Good. 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 And then I'm going to get you sitting when you're ready. We may get another temperature shut down here. Perfect. I'm going to check through the shoulders with you. So I'm going to borrow the right one. Just come straight back. Look, that's going really well today, actually. Same. And good. Good. Traps are happier. And can I guess you just feel that all out for me?
Yep. Oh, it definitely feels way better now.
Good.
That's feeling pretty good now.
Okay. Any movements that bother at the moment?
No, not really. I mean, I still feel a little bit kind of in the SI upper glute there, but much better than it was.
Okay.
If I lean back, I can't even tell if that's just an unnatural movement or a little bit there, but no, that's pretty good.
Okay.
The QLs feel pretty good on the sides.
Good.
But yeah, no, pretty good.
Awesome.
Beauty.